Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys another CPA affiliate network, Bluebit ads. We're going to be taking a look at some of the verticals that they're in, what geos they're in, and all the other great information behind them. And with that being said guys, if you'd like to see some more videos like this, or you'd like to see some more videos or information on CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, be sure to sign up for the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. This is Bluebit ads. This is the homepage for Bluebit. This is what it looks like whenever you come to their page to go ahead and sign up. But let's dig in a little deeper. Let's go ahead and see what Bluebit ads is all about. So welcome to Bluebit ads. Bluebit ads is a performance-based affiliate network. Here you can expect the best results, exclusive offers with top payouts, and dedicated support. So let's see a little bit more about them. It looks like they were founded in 2014, so they've been around for about 5 years now. From the very first day, we are focused to deliver best offers with top payout to our affiliates while keeping advertisers ROI same time. We are dedicated to help our business partners 24/7. They offer a strong team. We employ only the best and responsive managers to help you around the clock. They are available 24/7 for support, it looks like. And they also offer accurate real-time reporting, so you can be sure that you will have the best accurate and real-time reporting of your monetized traffic. They offer advanced and easy settings, it looks like here. It's easy to set up tracking URLs, banners, and email creatives. And this just looks like a little information for advertisers here. So it looks like you got to get a dedicated account manager, the 24/7, zero fraud, and little information about the affiliates. So at Bluebirds, we are committed to provide our affiliates all niche of offers. As a Bluebit ads affiliate, you will have access to the industry's top performing campaigns, highest payouts, and real-time reporting for your traffic. So again, a little bit more about them. Once again, they offer accurate and real-time reporting. By using Tune's Highest Offers tracking platform, we allow you to track your offer and earnings by all reporting features. So it looks like Bluebit ads is using Highest Offers tracking platform. This is a very popular tracking platform. You'll probably notice it as soon as we log in here that it looks a lot like some of maybe the other affiliate networks out there. They all kind of use this Has Offers platform, so it might look familiar once we log in here. But on to the next. Bluebit ads lets you allow single point contact for all conversations related to billing, performance, and support 24/7. By assigning a dedicated account manager. So it looks like you are going to have an account manager that will be able to assist you 24/7, all times of the day, any time of the year, to help you with any kind of billing information, any kind of performance information, and just overall support. So that's always nice to be able to have someone there to help you out. And top converting offers. So it looks like you'll get the best payouts for top performing offers within their verticals. So they're basically just saying that they're paying top dollar for all of your leads, and they even offer you an option to request new offers. So if the offer is not present in their offer list and you want to bring it to Bluebit ads, you can ask your account manager to go ahead and get that added for you. And down at the bottom is just going to be some get in touch information in case you want to contact them. But that looks like that's about it for that. Let's go ahead and dive into the dashboard here. Let's take a look at the Has Offers platform and see what kind of offers they have, what kind of geos they're in. So here we are. Here's Bluebit ads platform, their main dashboard here. This is what it looks like once you get approved and once you get accepted and you log in for the first time. It's just going to show the Has Offers platform here once again. So right off the bat, it's just going to be your dashboard. It's going to show you some quick stats for the last 7 days. Within these quick stats, it's going to be impressions, clicks, conversions, and any kind of money that you've made within the last 7 days, as well as year to date, as you can see over here. If we scroll down, you'll have some new notifications over here, as well as some of their featured offers that they have. So we can see, here's a couple of them. Amazon gift card, and looks like a bunch of payday stuff. So all that good stuff. Here's also a performance section for the last 7 days. There's nothing there right now because we haven't been running any traffic on here. This is just a walkthrough. If we wanted to, we could go ahead and browse the offers here. But we're going to go ahead and move over to the left-hand section and just take a look at some of the info here. So we have an offers section here where we can see all the offers on the platform. We'll go through that last. We'll go through some of the other things. My live offers would be any offers that you're running currently, and reports. So it's going to have some performance report information here. I'm sure you can break it down if you needed to with the filters up here, either by date. You could do yesterday, week, monthly, last 6 months, year to date. You can do it by different categories, so we can do it by sub-IDs, offers, all that good stuff, impressions, payouts, EPC, all that good stuff that you want to maybe break down and get some further detailed tracking information with, more data from. You'll be able to search this way with these filters. And it looks like they also offer it for conversion reports as well as referral reports, and you can save reports. So as you see over here, if there's something that you want to save, maybe for another time or to look back on, you can save reports as well. And for tools, it looks like they have some ad groups here, so you can create some different ad groups with banners, different things like that, some smart links. They also offer a mobile app, so this is kind of cool for this network. Not a ton of networks do it. There are some that do, but it looks like you can download an app directly from either iOS or the App Store or Google Play Store to be able to monitor your performance and kind of make any kind of tweaks or things that you might need to do. You can do directly with the app. And they also offer support for pixels and postbacks, as you can see here. And then for account information, it's just going to have some billing information, settings, basic account stuff here. At the very bottom is going to be your account manager, so whoever you get set up with, this is how you can contact them, again, for that 24/7 support. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the offers that they have here on Bluebit ads. So right off the bat, these look like these are some of the top offers they have here. Let's see. So they don't have a ton of offers, but they do have a good little chunk. It looks like most of them are going to be for finance, maybe some home warranty type things, auto insurance. There is a couple one-offs like this home income system. It looks like some online business stuff. And I know earlier we also saw an Amazon one right here. So they do have one sweepstake offer, but it looks like they primarily are going to be a insurance and home insurance, car insurance, loans. Looks like that's what they mainly cover here. But let's take a look at some of these options here. Since they do have one sweepstake offer, let's take a look at that, and then we'll take a look at some of the other loan offers as well too. So as you can see on the left-hand side here, it shows a little preview. It shows it's a $1.50 payout. It's for the United States only. If we click on it, we get a lot of great offer information here, like when it expires, location again, all of this stuff. You know, we want to make sure that we can also run it on social media or wherever you're running it. So they show you some restrictions here. Again, restrictions down here, so no adult traffic, no fraudulent bots or inset traffic. And let's see if we can actually preview the lander. So we'll just wait a second. So this doesn't look like it updated. Or maybe, well, it didn't redirect because I'm in the United States. So Maybe this offer isn't active at the moment, or maybe they just kind of tweaked it. It isn't necessarily an Amazon one, it's just a $100 gift card, is what it looks like here. But overall, the actual landing page does look pretty nice. It's well built, it looks trustworthy. It's not just some kind of, here, give me your information and I'm going to give you this, this, and this. So it does look pretty good. Let's go back. That's pretty much it for the lander here. For this, though, if you do want to run the offer, if you're not already approved, as you see up here in the top left, you will have to request approval. And they're going to ask you, three simple questions. So for one, how do you plan to promote this offer? Either Facebook, Instagram traffic, whatever traffic source you're using. Maybe you're doing this with native ads or maybe some free traffic sources. Whatever you're putting in or getting your traffic from, you're going to want to update in here. And then it looks like it wants some contact information from you. So you're going to want to put in your Skype name or your email name, probably because your affiliate manager or account manager is going to want to reach out to you. Make sure you're doing the right things. Sometimes they also want to approve some creative. So if you have maybe a ClickFunnels bridge page that you have set up, or maybe an Amazon bridge page, or whatever kind of bridge page you have, they're going to want to maybe approve it. So any kind of approvals or anything like that, you'll have to give them your contact information for. And then obviously at the end, they want to know the landing page. So you'd have to put in your ClickFunnels information and stuff like that. And then when that's done, they'll contact you or you'll get an email saying, hey, you are approved, and you can go from there. Let's take a look at one more offer. Let's just do this home warranty one. It looks like it's email only. And once they qualify, it looks like you'll get paid about $18 per lead. So pretty good. Looks like this one does expire soon, so that's why you do want to take a look at some of these. It also has a low daily conversion cap. You're only able to bring in 7 leads a day. And again, it ends on September 25th. So again, all the basic information like location, where can you run it, iOS, all that good stuff. It's going to show you another landing page here. You can also see no SMS traffic, so you won't get paid for any text message traffic. And then here's the landing. So again, pretty straightforward. It's got some trust badges here. It doesn't look spammy. It looks like a good quality landing page. It's just going to be a simple submit here, and that's about it. And again, if you want to run this, you will have to request approval and fill out the information. But that's that. Again, guys, that was pretty much all of the offers here. So they don't have a ton of offers, but they do have definitely offers in the warranty niche, home insurance, car insurance. They do have 1 or 2 sweepstake offers. So if these are some offers that you like to run, if you think that these are offers that'll work for you, I would recommend reaching out to Bluebit Ads, maybe getting approved, getting signed up for them, and start testing out some of their offers here and trying to make some money. But with that being said, guys, that's going to be the end of the video today. This is Bluebit Ads. We took a look at some of their offers. We took a look at some of their landing pages, some of their reporting tools, and just overall a little bit more about them. If you like what you see, go ahead and sign up. If you want to see more information like this on affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, be sure to sign up for the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.